did sound intoxicated.
Trey!
Yeah, that's right, Phil.
Casper, PD, in here? What is that?
It's like blood. I don't know if it's from me or not. I don't think so. It might be from him.
He's out here.
Is that there?
Yep. He's out here.
Hi, puppies.
He's got a rifle sitting next to him. What's going on? Yeah, well, she was safe.
I'm also part of the lease owner.
I know.
Trespassing.
But we have to
shoot you.
No,
We had
you
permission
couldn't.
with her.
I don't care. Death by cop doesn't sound too bad. But what do you want?
Just here to
What
talk
happened?
I told her to get the fuck out.
Okay.
And so I pushed her the fuck out. She wouldn't fucking leave.
Okay. Can you step in here?
No.
Can you step in here away from the rifle so that we can talk?
Go ahead.
It's behind me. What do you want?
Yeah, like 3 steps behind you.
Yeah.
What are you wanting from law enforcement?
Okay.
That's plenty of time for you, Joey.
So-
She just wants to know how she can
We
get
came
back
in
to
here.
Motel 6.
And she told us that she is going to,
For that.
Copy.
I'm listening. Calm down.
that she's going to come in here and get her stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to come in here to make sure she was safe because she's alleging that you were pushing her and could be
I
violent with
pushed her out that fucking door.
You pushed her out the door?
Yeah, 100% did.
Okay, why?
I'm tired of her shit. I'm tired of the bullshit. I'm tired of everything. Told her to get the fuck out. She was leaving anyways. She fucking
Okay.
screamed at me, so I put her out that fucking door. It's not even like she pays for this fucking place. She might be on the fucking lease, but I pay for everything.
Okay, well that doesn't mean anything to
I
me,
know it
but she
doesn't
lives
legally.
here.
I don't really give a fuck either.
Okay, so you pushed her like,
Yeah, I
Both
pushed her
hands
out the
pushed
fucking
her?
door. Yeah. Then
did you
her-
knock her over when you pushed her?
No, she stumbled. I picked her back up, and I put her out the door.
She stumbled and fell on the ground?
Well, she didn't fall on the ground. I grabbed her before she fell.
Okay. She stumbled after you pushed her though?
She stumbled because she had lost her footing, yes.
Okay. So you guys got in an argument? Anything else physical happen?
No? And I saw you inspecting the door. That was long before you guys ever got here. That was when she tried to commit.
I'm not saying that was from, she didn't even, said she didn't know what that was from.
Oh, she did, because I punched that door before she tried to commit. That was like a month and a half ago.
Okay.
You said that's an airsoft gun? Huh? Did you say that's an airsoft gun, or is that a real gun? Does he have a gun? Rifle?
He has a gun with him?
A rifle. It's on the porch.
He has that with him. Yeah, it's real.
It's real. Just making sure.
Okay, so describe to me what happened, what led up to you pushing her out the door.
Me and her got in an argument. I told her to get out. She was already leaving anyway for her birthday bash, because we have the same birthday. She fucking screamed at me, and I said, I'm tired of this shit, so I pushed her out the fucking door.
Okay. How hard did you push her?
Not very.
Not very. How many times did you push her?
Probably like 3,
3 times?
probably. And
Just
I
all in the
counted.
back, or?
And mostly, yeah.
Okay. How long you guys been together?
On and off for like 9 months.
Okay. How long has she been living here?
We got this lease in November.
Okay. So what made you decide to start? She's already leaving the house. Why would
She
you start?
fucking screamed.
Why would you start pushing her in the back?
Because I wanted her to leave. She kept screaming at me. I'm done with this relationship. I don't think you understand that.
No, I understand.
I
that. I
keep
think
telling
that's a
her-
great idea.
And then every time I try to fucking leave her too, or something, some bullshit fucking happens. Trips me, she does fucking something. I don't need this shit. I really don't.
Okay.
Always is the same shit with her. I'm fucking tired of it. I'm just trying to fucking leave. I go to work, I come home. Today, I went to work at fucking 7 a.m. Came home, it was perfectly fucking fine. She went to the fucking beach with good fucking time. Cool. I didn't want to fucking talk. She keeps asking me stupid fucking questions. I'm done tired of asking them. I told her I was fucking done with this shit. She fucking was like, cool, I'm leaving, whatever. She screamed at me. I screamed at her. She screamed at me again. I told her to get the fuck out.
Okay. And then you started pushing her out the door?
Yeah.
Okay.
End story. I pushed her out the fucking door, gave her her shit, went downstairs, gave her her fucking other car keys. So she had all her car keys. I didn't know if she had hers or not. Called it good.
Okay.
And I watched you guys pull fucking up and everything fucking else.
Okay.
I'm not going to jail tonight. I hope you know that. Like,
What does that mean?
I'm just letting you know I'm not going to jail tonight. That's why that fucking rifle's there. I'm not going to fucking jail tonight. Either death by cop or not. I've been in plenty of firefights in my fucking life. I'm afraid of another one. Point being is I'm not fucking going to jail tonight. Refuse to. Take that as you will.
352 lost you.
Can you just step inside here so that we can
No.
finish our conversation?
We were talking perfectly fine.
Door code is
You just said you're gonna fucking shoot me.
I didn't say I was going to shoot you. I said I wasn't going to jail. You can take implications.
You said
as
if you're gonna
want,
go to
and that's
jail,
what the video camera
That
shows
you're gonna
too.
fucking shoot us.
I didn't say you were going to shoot you. If I want to shoot you, I could pick all three of you off this fucking balcony. I can hit a fucking, on Ironsides, I can hit a fucking paper target from 300 fucking meters away. If I
Okay.
wanted to kill you guys, it would have already been fucking done. Before you walked out your fucking car. When you guys all showed up in the convoy. I didn't say I was going to shoot you. I said I'm not going to jail.
Okay. Can you step inside?
I'm right here.
Yeah, but can you step inside,
No, I'm stepping
away
right
from
here.
the gun so that we can finish the conversation?
We are finishing the conversation. We are talking right now. And that gun's 3 foot up behind me. He can grab his pistol and she can grab her pistol faster than I can grab that fucking gun. So, you're not in any danger right now. If I walk backwards and grab that motherfucker, see? Look at that. Look at that. You're fine. You have your hand on your fucking pistol, you'll be fine. Calm down.
Okay. So are you gonna step inside so that we can finish the
No.
conversation?
No. We are talking perfectly fine right now. If she grabs her shit, she goes out the door, you guys go with her, like you just stated, then we're perfectly fine. Your life's not in danger, my life's not in danger, no one's life's in danger. I don't deal with this shit.
Okay. Are you not gonna step inside for me?
No. I just told you that multiple times. You're gonna keep asking me, I'm gonna keep telling you the same answer.
Okay, because I want to avoid
Okay.
what you're talking about with your fucking rifle.
My rifle's just sitting there.
Yeah, I know it is.
I'm allowed to have it right there.
Okay.
Is this not a fucking gun state?
Okay, but you
I'm
don't
pretty
understand
fucking
why I'm concerned that you just talked
You
about
telling
having
me
a
that you're
shootout with
concerned about
cops.
that? Listen here. I did 2 fucking deployments overseas. I understand that. I understand about the whole fucking
Okay.
ass show, whole bunch of bullshit.
Because I don't
right?
want to shoot anybody
You're,
right now.
okay, cool. You're there. I'm here. We're perfectly fine having a civil conversation. Are we not? Are we not having a civil conversation right now?
Sure.
Okay. You're the one escalating this right now.
I'm
I'm
not
not.
escalating. You're the one that brought up having a shootout with cops.
No, I didn't say it was shootout. I said I'm not going to jail. That's all I said. If you
Yeah.
want to
I
infer,
didn't say I'm not going to jail or I will shoot it out with cops.
I did not say or shoot it out with cops. Never shooting
Yeah,
cops.
oh, sorry. A gunfight.
I never said a gunfight. I said I'm not afraid of getting in a gunfight. There's been plenty of them. Did never say I was going to shoot a cop. Those words never came out of my mouth. That camera right there, and right there, and right there. Actually, yours is not on, but yours too. Oh, you,
I've got a newer one.
It's a new
oh,
one.
okay. Well, all 3 of your cameras will show that. Those words never came out of my mouth to shoot a cop. Ever.
Okay, have a shootout, whatever you want to call it.
I didn't say shootout.
But you understand why I'd like you to step inside.
Okay, you guys are there. You're no in danger. I'm not going to hurt you. She's grabbing her shit. We're all fucking kosher.
Trey, the matter here is that there's a rifle 3 foot behind you. I understand we have our own.
Right.
We prefer
There is a
Listen,
rifle
listen.
3 foot behind me. That is 100%
Prefer you
understandable.
Stepped inside, talked to us cordially.
We are just trying to handle this civilly.
Right, which we are. She's grabbing her stuff. You ask about what happened. I told you what happened. You ask about the rest of the events. I said I watched you guys pull up. There was nothing that wasn't civil about this, was there?
Okay, but why won't you step inside for me?
Because I'm not going to get close to you guys. Because I can't win a 3-on-1 scenario. That ain't happening.
I'm in the department.
Who's talking about winning a 3-on-1
Well, there's
scenario?
3 of you all right there. If you want to back up, I'll step inside the door. But I'm not stepping inside this door with you 2 foot from me.
Okay, you want to step inside
If you want to step to the
and close the
bookcase,
screen door for me?
there's
The sliding glass door.
I'm not closing the sliding glass door. If you want to step to the bookshelf, I will step inside, and we are both in agreement here.
What bookshelf?
The one bookshelf that's in behind you. There's 4 of them. You
Okay.
want to step back there? I will step
I'll
inside.
step
Look
inside.
at that. Look at that. All right.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Okay. So the issue is, she said you were shoved her to the
I
ground.
pushed her. I didn't push her to the ground. I pushed her outside that door. I gave her her stuff. I made sure she had all of the stuff that she needed. I went downstairs to make sure she had her keys. I gave her her keys, and then I went back upstairs. That is what happened. Yes. She screamed at me. I screamed at her. She screamed at me. I put her out the door. That is what happened. I will refer that again many times over.
I know, but she's saying that you pushed her on the ground. You're admitting that you were pushing her.
Yeah, I did not push her.
So
on the
that
ground.
is the issue at hand now.
Yes, I did push her out the door.
329.
I 100% did that.
Okay. So that is what I'm trying to have you come in here and talk with us about,
Right.
without
And-
having a
and
fucking shootout.
we're not having a shootout right now. We're talking, and
I know, but
That's
some
what-
statements were made.
yes, I said I was not going to go to jail.
Okay, otherwise you're going to have a shootout.
I never said I was going to have a shootout. Again, we are getting into semantics here. I never said that. And I'm not going to put those words in my mouth whatsoever.
Okay, well, something to that effect. I don't remember the exact words.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So I'd like if you could work with me here
I'm very much trying to. That's why I came in the door. You
and
backed up.
step in further away from the gun.
Right, which you wanted me to step inside, which I did. Did I not? Did I not? Did I not meet you halfway? You
Yeah,
walked
you took
backwards, I
one
came
step forward and,
in, which I am inside the door.
yeah, with the
Okay.
door still open.
Yes, the door is 100% still open.
Okay. Can you work with me one step further and close the door?
I will close it halfway. I'll give you that. I will give you that much.
Okay.
Tree 37.
So what now?
Go ahead.
Okay. Well, like I said,
Can you put me on that 8?
the issue at hand
Is that I pushed her out the door?
is that
which
you
I
were pushing
100%
her out the door.
I 100% did.
Right. Okay? So, it's not a huge deal.
Yes.
Like, she doesn't have any crazy marks on her or anything, but
Well,
you are, it
3:30,
is technically a domestic assault.
Which I understand.
Copy.
Okay? So you understand that we have to do our jobs,
I understand that.
right? Okay? So, I'm trying to handle this as peacefully as possible.
And I am too. I'm meeting you halfway, am I not? I've not done mostly two of the requests you asked. You asked me to walk in the door, I said walk in the door. You stepped backwards, we said cool. You asked me to shut the door, I shut the door halfway. I'm meeting you halfway here. Quite literally halfway.
Okay.
Am I not?
But I'm explaining to you
Yes.
that we have to do our jobs.
And I'm explaining what
And I'm trying to make it not just safe for us, safe for you,
And I think I'm pretty
to do
safe.
our jobs. Because I just told you, you did just admit,
That I pushed
to
out
it-
the door. Yes.
which is a domestic assault.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, we have to deal with that further.
Okay.
Okay? And I'd like to do it after you close the door,
Because you're gonna try to put me in handcuffs. Correct? Domestic assault?
because
Correct.
I don't want
No. Am I correct?
this to escalate further.
Right. So, technically, next steps, domestic assault, if I'm wrong, you put me in handcuffs, you take me to the down jail, and you process me, you do my fingerprints, you do everything else. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yeah, you're correct.
Yes. Okay, cool.
Okay? So turn around for me,
No, I'm not.
put your hands behind your back,
No.
and step this way.
No. We'll open
Okay,
this
you're
door.
gonna get 365 shots fired, shots fired.
Copy 202.
Step this way.
No. We'll open
Okay,
this
you're
door.
gonna get 365 shots fired, shots fired.
Copy 202.
Get that gun away from him.
365, do you know where they're coming from?
It's me, I shot the suspect in the apartment.
Emergency traffic on 2. Send medical over here. Copy.
Emergent.
Emergent.
Okay. Hitting the leg. Let's get a tonic going.
They're at 5041 Pay It Forward apartment.
What else do you need?
Hey!
Go back inside.
190. Go ahead and notify staff duty of an OIS, please.
Copy. Units on Pay It Forward, last 2 status.
Go forward. We need medical.
Medical emergent.
They're coming as fast as they can.
90, give them radio traffic, please, and myself and Romero are en route.
Okay, where else he hit?
They do have emergency
There's some
traffic
Pressure
on you.
on that. Okay, stay with me, dude.
In the leg.
Stay
in the
with me.
stomach. Twice, maybe.
Is she still in here?
She's going to get.
365. We're on the balcony, apartment.
Copy.
Come to the side closest to
On the west
2nd
side.
Street. On the west side.
It's the only place he's been hit.
No, he's hit in the chest and the stomach.
190. Start getting on the phone and start calling people, see if they'll come to work, please. Break.
Can I get another
Hey,
unit
keep
to
breathing.
head
Keep
toward
breathing. Stay
Keep
with me,
breathing.
dude.
more
Hey!
Stay with me.
apartments?
331, I'm almost there.
352 at Mulholland Road. Copy.
For Sam, I have a Victor
Did
unit
my
with me as
taser
well.
hit him?
Yes, that's where he fell.
Copy.
He started lunging for that rifle.
190, I also need to have the county hold down the fort for us for a while, please.
County.
Hey, stay with us.
Keep breathing, dude.
Hey!
Hey, keep breathing.
Take care of it. Thanks, buddy, I appreciate it. Well, 1254 is in service.
I can't tell if he's breathing anymore.
Does he have a pulse?
I can't feel one. We might need to start CPR.
254, can I get you to help cover the street?